In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Dakota key fob. This key fob was used between 2005 and 2011, and inside we will find one CR2032 battery. You can change the battery yourself at home. It's super easy. All you will need is one of these and one of these, flathead screwdriver. You can get these online, the batteries, and I will leave a link in the description if you'd like to pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now, first step, just to locate on this bottom left part of the key fob, there's a little slot between the two halves of the key fob, right there along the seam. We can put something like a flathead screwdriver in, hold firmly, and just turn like a key. Turn like a key gently until you feel this kind of a separation between the two parts, the two halves of the key fob. Now you can pull it apart with your fingers, or if it still feels a little bit stuck, work your way down, twisting until the two parts come loose. Take this, set that aside, remove this rubber part, carefully set that aside, and now we can just use our flathead screwdriver to come from under the battery and just pry it up like that. You'll see it pops out. Now we can take a new CR2032, make sure this positive side with the text, the battery information, goes face down, and just click it into place. Super easy. All we have to do now is reassemble this thing. So let's go ahead and position that rubber part back in place and put the face of the key fob on top of that and click everything back together, and that's it. Super easy. Change the battery yourself, didn't have to pay anyone to do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, go ahead and leave us a like or a comment. And for more information on how to change the battery for key fobs for any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.